Hello students, today we are going to learn about the story A Day in the Life of a Washerman. This is the story of washerman. There is one city and there lived one washerman. The name of the washerman is Raghu. Raghu is living in a very small house and every day he woke up early in the morning and he is cleaning his house. After cleaning his house, he is going to cook some meal for himself, and also he adopted one dog. He took one dog from the street, that is stray dog, that the dogs which are generally walking here and there in the cities or on the roads, here and there on the roads. So he took that dog from the street. Also he fed that dog before leaving the home. After all these activities, he is going to the Dhobi Ghat for his work. He took his bicycle and going to the Dhobi Ghat. While going, he is looking everywhere. There were so many tall buildings are there, and he was thinking that my house is so smaller than these tall buildings. Then in that thinking, he is passing that road. When on the way he got one watchman. Watchman greet him like, "Hello Raghu, nice morning." But Raghu has no matter about how nice the morning is. He is only he is only worrying about his work and his money and his day. Then he is also waved back to the watchman and he went away. Then after reaching to Dhobi Ghat, before going to the Dhobi Ghat, he is going to the places where each people are living and to collect the clothes from there. He is collecting all the clothes by going door to door everywhere, and again he is collecting that all clothes in one big cloth and taking that clothes to the Dhobi Ghat to clean. Then when reaching to the Dhobi Ghat, there were so many another washermen also working there. There is a sound of scribbling of cloths, and again he is having the work of ironing and drying the cloths. When his cleaning of cloths is over, he is waiting for the cloths to dry. He is waiting under the tree, and when he sat under the tree, he tried to learn languages. He knew two type of languages, and he was trying to learn English language, because in that city all the people was talking English language. Then Raghu was like to work side by the river. In the river there were children who and there were and they was doing boating in that river. Then they waved back to him, and the washerman or the Raghu is also waving back to them. Then when the cloths getting dry, he is collecting all that cloths and he is collecting all that cloths and he is ironing that cloths. Then after ironing, he is folding that cloths very softly and slowly and very carefully. He is taking care of the cloths. He is taking care of the clothes of other people. They have given him by guarantee or by faith on Raghu. Then by taking all the clothes, he has came to his home, and while coming home, his dog come across his home, his way, and hugs him or kisses him on his cheeks. And due to the happiness of that dog, or due to the love of that dog, the washerman or that Raghu forgets everything, or forgets all the tension or workloads or stress, everything he did, or every hard work, everything he did at the whole day, he forgets everything and he just smiles due to the love of that dog. Thank you. So this story tells us that every person has to work hard, but in their life they are doing their work with their passion. Every person is having their another wishes or separate or particular passions they are having regarding the work. So we should do our work with by mind. So and we should not regret about the work what we are doing. So this story of washerman tells us that the Raghu, that is washerman, is so happy in his life. Even he is one washerman, he is a dhobi, but still he is living his life very happily. Thank you so much.